Heard of the movie Bird on a Wire. I think it's with Goldie Hawn and with Mel. Oh, one flew away. With Mel, no, one's up there. With Mel Gibson and with Goldie Hawn, but I've never seen the movie. I just heard of the title. But anyway, I'm taking pictures of it. Oh, one just flew away. There's still one there. There's the bird sanctuary tree. I don't know. But the dark dots are supposed to be birds. But they might be kind of hard to see. But anyway. No, there it is. But the bird is still there. Okay, well, have a most pleasant Saturday. The background noise you hear is my fan. Oh, there's some birds there. I think those are quails. I think those are quails. I do believe. I could be wrong. I do believe. Because there is quails. All right. I'm going to let you watch those for a moment. Oops. Sorry. I'm trying to get the one. Okay. I will talk to you later.